Hey guys, what's up? Hi, it's Minal here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. So it's finally summer here, and the most important thing in summer is to stay hydrated. So today I bring you guys 3 simple and very refreshing smoothies that will keep you hydrated all summer. You can even mix and match your own ingredients and use and try some different combinations that you might like. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So the first one, I call it as my mango blueberry freshness. For this, all you need is 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1/4 cup of water and ½ cup of mango with some blueberries. Here I'm using some dried blueberries which I have soaked in water for almost 20 minutes. Then all I'm going to do is add all the ingredients one by one into the blender. I'm also going to add 1/4 of almond milk. And there you have it, a quick and easy mango blueberry smoothie which will keep you fresh all day long. And the second one, I call it as the magic of spinach, and frankly this is my favorite one. For this, all you need is handful of spinach, ½ cup of mango and 1/4 of almond milk. And frankly guys, this is the most delicious smoothies you will ever come across, and trust me, you will never ever taste that there's spinach in this. All you need to do is add in all the ingredients into the blender and blend it. I'm also adding some ice. And there you have it guys, the most delicious smoothie ever. Like, trust me on this. The third one, I call it as the chocolate coffee craziness. All my chocolate coffee lovers, this is for you. All you need is 1 frozen banana, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, ½ cup almond milk, ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 2 tablespoon honey and 1 teaspoon of coffee. And then all you need to do is all these ingredients into the blender, and as usual blend them together. And here you have it guys, the chocolate coffee craziness with chocolate flavor and the coffee punch, perfect for summer and all the coffee lovers. I hope you like this one. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button down below, and comment down what was your favorite part of the video, and I'll see you guys next time.